Finally, a pump that's actually made for people like us. Hey, what's up? My name is Kade, and today I'm gonna give you a full breakdown of how this amazing pump works, as well as things that I like about it and not as much a fan of. So let's get right into it. But first, thank you so much to Early to Bed for sending this to me so I can give a try and review for you. After the video is over, if you decide, this actually sounds like it would be great for me, go ahead and check out the link in the description, and don't forget to use the discount code because savings are amazing and like every little bit will help. Let's break this pump down. So this pump is from New York Toy Collective. If you've heard anything else from that company, they sell amazing packers as well as a few STPs and play toys. I have one of their packers I'll be reviewing soon enough, but for now I'm just gonna stick with this pump. There are so many things that I actually really love and respect about this pump because like the first thing that comes to mind is the packaging. It's not some like pink or bright like purple or something like that, like other pumps that are made for like our type of anatomy. But this pump, it has like a nice kind of turquoise as well as black and like white. So I really like that, as well as there is someone like, there's art on here that looks like it could be me. And that's something that I've literally never seen in any other type of transmasculine product, is having like showing scars, which is amazing. And another part that I'm like, oh shit, that's me, is it's really cool because it is comfy. You can use it with like one hand, just pump, pump, pump. And you can use it pre-T, or if you've already been on T for how many every years, it doesn't matter. You can be on T for quite a while or pre-T and this will still work for you. So what actually comes inside the box and what you're able to get with this, which I do have to say, this is one of the most affordable products I've ever seen. It's actually the cheapest like pump I've seen that's made for people like us. So I think that's really cool. I'll discuss that more in a moment, but for now, this is what you get inside the package. So, you get the cylinder to put your junk in, the tube that actually like allows the airflow to be sucked, and then finally the actual pump. It's really funny, but it also does come with a little tape measurer so you can see what you look like before you pump and after you pump. And trust me, it made me feel so much better when measuring like before and after, because it does work. How this is set up is all you have to do is get the cylinder and get this kind of more flat, like wide side, and pop it in the top. There you go. And then on this side, as you can see right there, it has this part that actually has like the suction part. Just go ahead and connect these two. Bop. And it's all set up. Oh no, it's stuck in my face. It's doing the suck. As you can see, here is the full, as you can see, this is the full on pump. Like everything that comes with it, plus this cute little tape measurer. And it also, something else that's really important to discuss is this fast release valve, just in case if while you're pumping it starts to be like painful, just do a quick release and it's like the pain is gone, discomfort is gone, so you have that safety like in the back of your mind. So this is how the pump actually works. First, you connect all the pieces of the pump together. Next, you go ahead and grab some lube for that dick of yours, or just like that, your junk that you want to pump. And make sure to have a lot of nice lube in that area. Next, you're gonna wanna get your cylinder and squirt some lube in it. Get some lube, squirt some in it, and get your finger and kind of like do a little circle motion. So when your dick is being sucked up, like it's like a really smooth process on the whole, like on all sides around. After you get lube in here as well as on your junk, go ahead and lay back and spread your legs and get pumping. Get pumping, yeah, yeah, yeah. And make sure to keep pumping until you feel a slight tug on your junk. But if there's any discomfort or pain at all, quickly do the quick release valve and then you'll be completely solid again. Now I'm gonna share with you what I love about the product and then what I'm not as huge of a fan of with it. Right away, the package makes me feel so euphoric with showing scars that I've never seen in any other package made for guys like us, as well as showing like the trans sign. And it's just really cool. Like I like the line design. It's just a very like 2020 packaging. Another reason why I really actually enjoy this pump is how high quality it is, especially for the freaking price. It has that really nice thick plastic, as well as like everything is just like really high quality. I was just blown away when I saw the price, which is, it still has like this amazing quality. Next, it is super comfortable to use. Like it says on the package, it is comfy. Ooh, the comfiest time that you'll ever pump your junk is with this. So it's a comfy pump. Like the whole time that I was pumping, I actually did not get any discomfort. That may be because my size, but it really just depends, because like I gave it a try, my babe gave it a try, and it all seemed fine. So something else that I love about this product is it comes with that cute little tape measurer. It's hard to see, trying to focus, it's fine. And that way you can see how much you are actually able to grow. And since the type of tape measure it is, you can actually measure around as well. Be like, ooh, my junk is all that much bigger around too. So the biggest difference that I did notice that I loved about the pump is it really gave me some extra girth after pumping. And that girth is extremely helpful, especially if you're gonna top. If you wanna see my top tips for topping, just check that out above. Additionally, something that I think is extremely cool about this is anyone can use it if you are pre-T or post-T, as long as your anatomy is under 3 inches. And I would say even like if your anatomy is like 2.5 inches soft, this still could totally work for you. Like something that I'm not the biggest fan of is how hard and how much the suction actually is. Something that I was noticing as I was doing the pumping situation is I would, let's say, pump a little bit. I'll use my face, it's fine. I'll pump and then it'll be like a few minutes would pass and it would slowly start to release, even without moving like at all. Like it's fine because I was just, you know, kicking back in bed, legs apart, pumped up. And after every few minutes, I would just like re-squeeze it a few more times. But it was just like a little bit annoying to have to like keep redoing it, but it still wasn't that big of a deal. The one other thing that I wish I could have seen with this is I wish that it actually came with possibly like different sizes. I hope that New York Toy Collective eventually looks into getting smaller and larger sizes for this pump, but you know, that's not really like part of the product right now, but that's just an idea. To leave on more of a happy note, the thing that most impressed me about this pump is actually the price. Because every other pump that is made for the anatomy that we have is like at least $60 to $70. I tried out this other pump that like, it's like pink and it's made for cis women and it's targeted that way, but I know so many trans guys have used that before, and I think that that is honestly like dysphoria inducing to have that type of packaging. But this one is like amazing packaging, and it is like literally only $30. And that's actually before the discount code that you can use. So don't forget to use that 10% off, because that truly does help and goes a long way. Like literally this pump is made for people like us, and it's half the price out like compared to anything else on the market for our anatomy. So I think that is like amazing. Plus, like I was saying before, it's really freaking like high quality, and it's like thicker than the other one that I'd used before. So I highly encourage you check this out. Consider subscribing if you want to see more honest reviews as well as tips. I hope you have an amazing day. You are beautiful, and peace. Ha!